Hello students, today we are going to do Act 3 Scene 4. The scene has been taken place in Belmont, a room in Portia's house. Here Portia, Nerissa, Lorenzo, Jessica and Balthazar are there. Now over here Lorenzo, he is thanking Portia for understanding the spiritual friendship between Antonio and Bassanio. He shows that the way you bear the absence of your husband, it would known to him you have shown this honor, and how good a man he is to whom you have sent help. How close a friend he is of your husband, you would be proud of what you have done. Your action is more valuable than your usual act of generosity. Over here he is very much thankful to Portia that she has done a very good deed in helping both the friends, where Antonio at present needs Bassanio and he is married the day, and Portia, she has told him, no, you can go as fast as you can and help your friend. So Lorenzo liked it very much, but Portia, she is saying that simply I have done a right thing. I never regret for having done a good deed, neither do I repent for it now. She says that the characteristics, behavior and disposition between both of them is similar. So, if this is the case, there is hardly any sacrifice made by me to save the likeness of my husband from such a horrible misery. That sounds too much like giving credit to myself, so I shall say no more. Now she entrusts in Lorenzo that as I am going to monastery for some meditation with my attendant Nerissa, so you are going to look after her house and in her necessity to take her place. For that she is saying that I am just going to the monastery 2 miles away. Now she calls Dr. Bellerio, her attendant, to go to Dr. Bellerio in Padua. She tells him that I have found you honest and trustworthy, so take this letter, hurry up and go fast as a man can to Padua. Give this letter to my cousin, Dr. Bellerio. Take care of the documents and robes he may give you. Bring them with utmost speed to the public ferry which carries passengers for hire to Venice. So do not waste time in talking, but go at once. I shall be at the ferry before you reach. So Balthazar, he says, Madam, I will go as fast as I can. Now she calls Nerissa and she tells her that she has a plan. There we shall go where our husbands are. And Nerissa, she says, will we see them? She says, no, we will be in a disguise and we will be going over there in man's disguise. And I am going to change my voice as a boy's voice, being a little deeper voice of a man. And I am going to boost out the things as young men they do. And also I denied they would fall sick and die looking at us, that how we are speaking. Even girls, they will see us and feel that we are so handsome. So she says that don't waste time, I will tell you everything on the way.